Hello friends, I welcome you all to Crazy Calculation series of Board and Beyond. So friends, here what we learn is that we learn certain tricks of Vedic mathematics or some other short tricks which actually helps us to reduce our time in doing heavy computation or calculations, right? So friends, in the last class what we saw is that we saw how to test a divisibility of a number by 7, right? So friends, let's take it a step further and try to understand how do we check for a divisibility of a given number by any prime number, right? Because prime number basically factorization is not possible, so the only option is that we should know whether it is divisible by this prime number or not, and then proceed further, right? So you can say, friends, this is Vedic mathematics at its best, right? So basically the people those who are teaching it in different methods, actually that is all derivations of this Vedic mathematics what they are doing it, right? So let's start it, no problem, let's do it. So I have written down 4 numbers here which I will be solving one by one. Let's say 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 2 divided by 13. 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 2. We have to check whether it is divisible by 13 or not. So friends, there are 2 steps involved here. Okay. Step number 1. Step 1, right, says that make the last number is equal to 9. Make the last number as 9. I'll write as 9. Okay, of divisor of this, right? Right? So how is that possible, friend? So see, if I want to make 3 as 9, the only option with me is that I multiply it with 3. Correct? We don't have to add here, please. We cannot add 6 and make it 19. No. I have to multiply this number with a certain natural number, okay, and make it as 9. The last digit as 9. So 13 into 3, which is equal to 39. Right? One step over. Step number 2. When the last digit has become 9, then what do we do is that we see the number preceding to the last digit, that is equal to 3, and then we increase 3 by 1, okay? Increase the predecessor, or I'll make it simple. Increase the number before 9 by 1, okay? That is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Correct, friends? Now, once this has become 4, we call it as golden number. For our remembrance purpose, right? Otherwise, in Vedic mathematics, this 4 is called as an oscillator, right? Okay. So now we have got 4. Now we will do certain process here and tell that whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So let's do it. 4, 6, 2, 3, 5. So the thing here is, friend, leave the last digit, that is 2. Write everything as it is here. You can see plus 2 into oscillator, that is 4. Write down the sum here. That is equal to this plus 8. So it is 4, 6, 2, 4, 3. 35 plus 8 is 43. Right? Now we move forward. 4, 6, 2, 4. Again leave the last number and write everything as it is. Last digit into the oscillator, that is equal to 12. Right? So 4, 6, 3, 6. Right? Okay. Now 4, 6, 3, okay, plus 6 into the oscillator, that is equal to 24. That is equal to 4, 8, 7. Right? So now 4, 8 plus 7 into this, that is equal to 28, which is equal to 6. So now it is coming as 76. So this 76 is not divisible by 13. So since 76 is not divisible by 13, or I write here by 13, so 462 352 is not divisible by 13, right? Yes, this is the conclusion part of it, right friends? So you got this, I hope you got this, right? So this is the way you have to follow. Since I was explaining it to you in great detail, I have taken little time extra, okay? But when you do it with practice, you will be able to definitely complete it within 13 seconds, right? 30 seconds, right? So let's check up the next one, whether that is divisible by 23 or not, right? So now I will not write each and every step, friend. I will be basically not writing the narration part of it now, okay? So 811302, we have to check it by 23, right friends? So 23, I have to make it into last digit as 9, so the option left with me is that 3 into 3, correct? So I multiply this with 3, it gives me 69, right? Now this has become 9, this number is 6, so I increase 6 by 1, okay? So golden number is 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7, right? This is my golden number. Now I will do the oscillation process with this number 7, right? How do we do it? 81130 plus 2 into 7, that is 14, right? So this is equal to 81144, right friends? Now 8114 plus 4 into this number, that is 28, right? 4 into 7 is 28, is equal to 8142, right friends? Now 814 plus 2 into 7 is 14, is equal to 828. Now 82 plus 8 into 7, 56, that is equal to 138, right friends? So now 13 plus 8 into 7, that is 56, that is equal to 69. Of course 69 is divisible by 23, we can see here, right? So 69 is divisible by 23, hence we conclude that this number is divisible by 23. Okay, so 811302 is divisible by 23. Right? You got it? So this is how you need to do it. Let's check up the next one, and then we will in that problem we will try to reduce the time little more in that. Right? Let's do that. Once you have a good amount of practice on this, you can do it. 58074 divided by 17, right? So 17, I need to make the last digit as 9. The option left with me is 7 into 7 is 49. Correct friends? So I multiply this with 7. This gives me 119. Right friends? Yes, 119. So the last number has become 9. Number preceding to that is 11. I add 1 to 11, that is 1 plus 11, that is equal to 12. 12 is my golden number. Right? Once we have found the 12, the golden number, we come back. 5807 plus 12 into 4 is 48, is equal to 5855. Right? Okay. So 585 plus 5 into 12 is 60, is equal to 645. So 6, 4 plus 5 into 12 is 60, that is equal to 124, that is equal to 12 plus 4 into 12, that is 48, is equal to 60. right? We stop it here. This 60 is not divisible by 17. So hence this number is not divisible by 17. So we write 58074 is not divisible by 17. By 17. Friends, I am going little fast because I have, in the first problem I gave you the concept. In next problem I reduced a little bit on the number of steps. In third problem I reduced it even little more bit. Okay, because the thing is that I wanted to just make you reach up to 40-45 seconds here, so that after a little more practice you can reach up to 30 seconds. Right? That is the basic agenda behind it. Right? Okay. So let's take up the next one. I hope you are following it, right friends, because the first problem I explained you in great detail, everything. Right? Let's check up the last one. (86203) by 19. Right friends? So by default the last digit is already 9. Okay. So the golden number will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is the golden number. Right? Now we do the oscillation process with 2. Right? So this is 8620 plus 2 into 3, that is 6. 8626. Right? Now 862 plus 6 into 2 is 12. Right friends? So 8, 7, 4. Right? 2 plus 2, 4. Yeah. So 8, 7 plus 4 into 2, that is 8. That is equal to 95. 95, yeah, it is divisible, but no problem if you want to go further. 5 into 2, that is 10. That is equal to 19. Now 19 is definitely divisible by 19. Absolutely no doubt. Right? So hence we conclude that 86203 is divisible by 19. We have exhausted with all the 4 examples that we have taken. So in short, I will just explain you. Right? So what do we do is that the first thing, the 2 steps that we have to follow. Right friends? There is a certain number given to us and we need to check the divisibility of this number with any other prime number. Right? That is the problem. Now, what we do is that whatever is the prime number, whatever is the divisor, I have to multiply with a certain natural number and make as last digit as 9. Right? In that process, even number preceding to that or the number before that, okay, if it is a 2-digit number, so the previous number will also change. Right? Now, once the last digit has become 9, right friends, then just look at the previous number. It can be a 1-digit number or 2-digit number, doesn't matter. Right? So whatever is the number, read it completely. Let us say if it is 11, read it as 11, not as 1. Okay? And then increase that number by 1. Okay? And that becomes your oscillator or the golden number. Right? The way I have done here. Once you have arrived at the golden number, then you do this process. This process says that apart from the last digit, write down everything as it is. Then last digit into the oscillator or the golden number, you write it here. Then you sum these 2 up here. From this, again leave the last digit out. Write down everything as it is, that 862, previous to that. Then last digit into the oscillator, write it here and add it. Okay? Repeat the same process here. Repeat the same process here. And till when you have to repeat? Till the time either you reach to a 2-digit number, okay, and you are able to identify that the number which you are getting on the right hand side is divisible by your divisor or not. Right? So till the time you repeat this process. Right friends? This process in Vedic mathematics is called as osculation. Right? So I hope I have done right justice to this process in terms of making you understand how do we use it in our day-to-day life when we are solving problems. Right, friends? So this is all from me for this class. Okay. So till the time we meet next class, I'll bring something again exciting on Vedic mathematics or certain short tricks. Right? This is a short series video of Board and Beyond. Right, friends? So till the time we meet next, be happy, be safe, keep learning with us, stay tuned with us for latest updates. We keep posting some exciting videos, videos on your regular syllabus, and there is lot other things in the pipeline, friends, which probably you might not have thought as of now. Okay, the things will be on board, right? So stay tuned with us. God bless you all. Study well, write well, do well. Thank you so much. Bye.